Hi, in this video we are going to learn about arithmetic operators. This plus operator will use for addition, and this minus operator will use for subtraction, and this asterisk symbol will use for multiplication. This percentage sign will use for a remainder. This will return the remainder. Also we can call it as modulus operator. This forward slash will use for division. So let's create a variable first. Int x equal to 2 plus 3. Now we'll display this variable. For displaying we have the command system.out.println. For that we have the shortcut key sysout, and if you press the control space it will complete the whole sentence. So system.out.println, and here we'll write the name of the variable, that is x. Now let's run the code, and the output is 5 as expected. Here we are calculating a two integer value 2 plus 3, and we are storing in the variable x, and here we are displaying the value of x, so it is 5. So this plus operator we can also use with the string data type. So if we'll use this with the string data type, it will not make any calculation. Then what it will do, it will concatenate the string. So let's make it these 2 and 3 as a string. So as we know that whatever we'll write inside double quote, that will become as a string. So I'm putting this 2 in double quote as well as 3. So now we have 2 plus 3. Now it's giving some error. Let's see what is the error. It's saying type mismatch, cannot convert from string to int. So let's make this data type as string. So now there is no error. Now let's see what is the output. Now the output is 23. That means 2, 3. So here in this case, when you use this plus operator with string data type, so it will not going to calculate these values. What it will concatenate the value and store in the x. Okay, if we'll use other operators in place of minus, whether it support or not, let's see. It's minus, so now it's giving some error. So if you hover the cursor over here, then it's saying that minus is undefined for the argument type string. That means the string data type does not support other operators, it just support the plus operator, and this plus will use for concatenate the string. Okay, let's make it again as int. So int 2 plus 3 and 3, and now the output is 5. So now if you want to display a 2 plus 3 equal to 5, then we can write it as a inside double quote. Suppose if we write 2 plus 3 equal to, then here we'll use plus symbol. So this plus will append this variable, and in this variable we have the value 5. Let's see what is the output first. So run it. Now the output is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. As we know that whatever we'll write inside double quote, that will be considered as a string, and this will display as it is. Whatever you write in double quote, that will display as it is. Okay, suppose if you are writing this x variable inside double quote, now let's see what is the output. So now the output is 2 plus 3 equal to x. So it's not showing the value or whatever the value inside x, it's displaying x. So we do not want this, we want the actual value of x. Okay, so for that what we are doing, we are appending this string. This is a string with this variable name. The name of the variable is x. Okay, let's run it. Now the output is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Next operator we have minus operator. So let's declare one more variable, int y equal to 4 minus 5. Now let's display this variable y, and we also want to display this 4 minus 5 equal to. So as we know that whatever we will write inside double quote, that will display as it is, and plus mean append, concatenate the value of the variable, whatever the value inside y. So let's run it. So now the output is 4 minus 5 equal to minus 1 as expected. Next operator we have multiply operator. Let's declare one more variable, int days equal to 4 multiply by 7. Let's display it using system.out.println, and the variable name is days. So here also we want to display this 4 multiply by 7 equal to, and plus mean here will concatenate the value of days, whatever inside days. So let's run it. So now the output is 4 into 7 equal to 28. Next operator we have modulus operator. As we know, it will return the remainder after dividing the number by other. So let's declare a variable, int remainder equal to 25 modulus of 10. Let's display this also. Sysalt, press control space, and let me complete the whole sentence. Now we want to display 25, this modulus operator, by 10, then equal to, plus the name of the variable. The variable name is here now remainder. Now let's see what is the output. So now the output is 25 mod of 10, and the remainder is 5. Next operator we have a division operator, int div equal to let's say 5 divided by 2. Let's display the value. For displaying, we want to display 5 divided by 2 equal to, plus the variable name is div. Okay, so here we are expecting the output is 2.5. okay, 5 divided by 2. So let's see what is the output. If we run this code, now the output is 2, but we were expecting this 2.5. So as we know that int data type will not accept any decimal value, For decimal, we have another data type that is double. So let's make it as a double. Okay, now let's run it. But now also the output is 2.0, result is 2.0, but we were expecting this as 2.5 because this is the accurate result. So why this is happening? Actually here what we are trying, we are dividing integer value by integer, another integer. So it will return the int value. Whether it is displaying 2.0 because we are taking the data type here as a double, but this is not the accurate result. So for getting the accurate value, the either of the operand, whether it is left or right operand, must be a decimal value, or it must be a double value. Let's make it as a double. I'm writing it 2.0. Now let's run the code and we'll see the output. So now we are getting the accurate result. So when you divide the number by other, you have to take care of these things also if you want the accurate result. Okay, so thanks for watching.